Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Hyundai Elantra taillight. First, open your trunk to gain access to the tail light area. You'll find a small fabric or plastic access panel on the inside of the trunk, behind the tail light. Gently remove this cover to expose the mounting nuts and electrical connections. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and easy removal process, setting you up for success. Next, you'll need to detach the tail light assembly from the vehicle's body. Look for 2 or 3 nuts, typically 10 mm or 8 mm in size, that hold the assembly in place. Use a socket wrench to carefully loosen and remove these nuts. Be sure to keep them in a safe spot, perhaps a small container, so they don't get lost during the process. With the mounting nuts removed, the next step is to disconnect the electrical wiring. Find the main electrical connector plugged into the back of the tail light assembly. There's usually a small tab or button you need to press to release the lock. Once pressed, gently pull the connector straight out to separate the wiring harness from the tail light. Take your time to avoid damaging the wires. Finally, it's time to remove the tail light assembly completely. The assembly is often held by a few plastic clips or alignment pins. Grip the tail light firmly from both the top and bottom. Then, with a steady, firm pull, wiggle the assembly straight outwards from the vehicle. It might require a bit of effort to release the clips, but it will eventually come free. Congratulations, you've removed it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.